When all the lights on your T-Mobile hotspot are blinking, it indicates a critical error. This usually means a firmware crash, SIM card malfunction, or sometimes a power issue. LED lights typically show device status, but when everything blinks, it is a general error signal. Power LEDs solid green mean normal operation. Data LEDs represent signal strength, and battery LEDs indicate charge level. When all are blinking, consider it a fail-safe triggered to prevent data overuse or potential security risks. The blinking lights mean your hotspot has encountered an error and needs troubleshooting to resume normal operation. This issue can be more frequent in areas with 5G network congestion. If your T-Mobile hotspot shows all lights blinking, start with a power reset. Unplug the device, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches without losing your settings. If the blinking persists, perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole on the device. Hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. This restores factory settings but erases custom configurations. After the reset, reconfigure your Wi-Fi network using the T-Mobile app. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it may indicate hardware failure. Contact T-Mobile support for a replacement, especially if your device is under warranty. To prevent recurrence, ensure good ventilation to avoid overheating and keep your hotspot firmware updated.